Hi lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Excuse the lack of makeup, the lack of lipstick. I really should put some lip on, some like gloss. Wonder if this one will do. I've just been really sick with a cold, so I've not really been wearing anything from my lipsticks because I don't want, I'm just putting a bit on my finger. I don't want to infect my lip products. Is that alright? Right, that's going to have to do. It's a bit metallic, but at least we've got some moisturisation on the lips now. So today is a bit of a different video. It's not a get ready with me. I might be going live though. I might be doing a live stream tonight because I've not done one last week. Anyhow, I'm beating around the bush. So today is going to be a fragrance review. And the fragrance it's on is, I'll show you the picture of it. Can you even see it? Yeah, just about. It's the Marc Jacobs. So it's the Daisy Love Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Glow. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. And I'm going to be telling you all the information that it basically shows on here. It's a limited edition, which I didn't know when I didn't actually get the bottle. What I got was the scent Addict, and I've spoken about this ever since I started buying them from the fragrance shop. It's £14 a month now, it's gone up. So this is the one that I've emptied. Looks like that. So Marc Jacobs Daisy Glow Love EDT, completely empty. And then in this one here is something else which we'll talk about when I finish that one. So for the moment we're just talking about the Marc Jacobs. What I want to do, there's quite a big description here. So it says, I'll tell you the price. So on this website, Fragrance House in the UK, if you live in the UK and you're wanting to try it, you can still buy it. I'm sure you'd still be able to get it in Boots, Superdrug, Fragrance Shop, Perfume Shop, if you live in the UK. But I don't know if you'd be able to get it at this price. What size is that? Doesn't really say, it doesn't tell me. But the original, 50 mils. The original retail price of it is £73, which isn't bad for 50 mils, but it's gone down to £58.40 in the sale. So that saves you £14.60. So I do want to read you this lot. Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Glow limited edition. Eau de toilette, 50 mils. There's quite a big description. I want you to know what the notes are, what it claims to be. Talk about my experiences with it, if I can even remember it, because I'm halfway through another bottle at the moment, and then another bottle has recently come. So I'm going to try and kind of make the fragrance shop not send me another one until January, and then I think that's going to be. So it says, experience the luminous allure of Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Glow. Limited edition, Eau de Toilette, a captivating fragrance that embodies the essence of radiant femininity. This limited edition scent invites you to bask in a world where freshness and floral elegance intertwine, offering a sensory journey that is both enchanting and unforgettable. So I'll just stop there. What I don't like about perfumes or anything, or even when it comes to makeup, is when a brand says it's limited edition. As far as I'm aware, eventually you're not going to be able to. And I know that you can get the Daisy Love, which is supposed to be the same, but not as like. I think this one's got lemon in it, but Daisy Love doesn't have, from the one review I have listened to before I came on to film. So I don't like that aspect of it. Embrace the playful and enchanting spirit of Daisy Love Glow and let it serve as a daily reminder that sunshine and nature are always just a spritz away. The fragrance composition is a harmonious blend of carefully selected notes. It opens with invigorating zest of lemon, yeah, so you are getting quite a bit of lemon in it, which is not my typical perfume that I would go for. I didn't know that when I asked the fragrance shop to send it to me, but I was really curious about it. I don't think I've had any of the newer Daisy fragrances. I've just had Daisy. Do you know the one with the white Daisy and then the gold in the middle. I've just had that one, and that was many, many years ago. So it's complemented by the unique sweetness of cloudberry and the subtle warmth of bergamot. The height reveals a delicate bouquet of clove essential oil, jasmine, and lemon blossom, creating a floral symphony that is both sophisticated and inviting. As the scent settles, it unveils a base of warm cashmere musk. See, I do like cashmere musk. The rest of the notes in here, though, I'm surprised I really like that perfume. I mean, it wasn't my favourite perfume that I've got from the fragrance shop, but I did really, really enjoy it. Earthy patchouli, essential oil, leaving a lasting impression of elegance and depth. Is there any left in it? I do have a cold, so I don't know even if I can smell the cap. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, I'm not getting any out. It's really, really nice. I can't smell any of those notes that it's telling me that are in there. Embrace the playful and enchanting spirit of Daisy Love Glow and let it serve as a daily reminder that sunshine and nature are always just a spritz away. We already said earlier. Then it goes on to talk about the bottle. Encased in a sunny yellow glass bottle adorned with an oversized daisy cap, Daisy Love Glow reflects the iconic design elements of the Marc Jacobs Daisy collection. This thoughtful packaging not only exudes charm but also aligns with the brand's commitment to sustainability, combining vivid natural and synthetic notes to create fragrances that are fresh, unique, and eco-conscious. Now they're going back in and saying what the top notes are. The key notes of the perfume are top, cloudberry, bergamot, lemon essential oil. The middle notes are jasmine, lemon blossom, clove essential oil. I can smell the cashew musk in it. It's really nice. I can't really smell any of the other notes in it, and it has patchouli in it as well. It's available in 50 mils, available in sizes 50 ml, type eau de toilette, application spray, gender female. I know it's going to be in bigger sizes than that. It's got to be. So, how to use, we all know how to use fragrance, right? But let me just read this to you. For light intensity, spray in a cloud around your head and shoulders, let the fragrance fall around you. I don't do that with perfume. For medium intensity, spray in a Y shape across your body. I tend to do that actually, but it's not a Y, is it really? That is just doing that with it. Y across your body, because if you are wearing jewellery, it is a great alternative to spraying your neck. For added intensity, apply perfume directly to your pulse points. I do that. And or hot spots, wrist, inner. I normally just do the wrist. But it says wrist, inner elbow and lower neck. I do sometimes do it down here. The heat of your body will allow the fragrance to reveal its full trail, including shoulders and back, to intensify your perfume trail. Hold the fragrance approximate 5 inches away and spray your skin, focusing on the pulse points, necks, wrist, etc., and or spray generously in front of you and walk through for a full coverage. That's just a waste of perfume in my opinion. Environmental commitment. Marc Jacobs is committed to reducing the impact on the environment, creating environmentally friendly and sustainable fragrances which are fully recyclable, reducing packages and landfill waste. Well, that's good, isn't it? Jacobs demonstrates a commitment to sustainability with Daisy Love Glow combining beautiful natural ingredients with olfactive innovation. This approach ensures that the fragrance is perfect and sustainable addition to the Daisy Garden, aligning with environmentally conscious practices. To view more fragrances in this brand, click here. No, we don't want to do that. To make purchasing from us even easier, you can now choose to spread the cost. Well, of course, they're going to say you can spread the cost. They want the world to get in debt for perfume. No, thank you. And it says shipping restrictions apply. Shipment to the UK and mainland Europe via express post only. So I don't know where this is. It's either in the UK or it's in Europe, because the actual website is fragrancehouse.co.uk. I'll show you, I'm going to show you the pictures, but I'm also going to try and get them in the video somewhere. So I think I already showed you that one. No, I didn't. But I'll show you that one. The writing will be blurry, and then it's got all different ones. So we've got Daisy Glow, Daisy Oh So Fresh Glow, and Daisy Love Glow. That's the one I've got, Daisy Love Glow. Don't worry, I know it's blurry, guys, but I will be putting the pictures around here. Some I'll be putting the pictures around here somewhere when I get this video uploaded. So it's just those 3 pictures that I've got to show you. That's it. That's it for today's video. You know, I just wanted to get this one uploaded as soon as I could because I finished this quite a while ago. I will show you the other one that I'm using at the moment. We're not going to go into the name of it or anything though. You'll just be able to see how nearly done I am with this. So that's it there. I'd say I'm more than halfway done with it. This one I absolutely love, and I've actually bought myself a little gift set of it for Christmas. So when I do the review, you'll know which one it is. Thank you so much for joining me today. It does mean an awful lot to me. If you're new here, you like fragrance reviews, perfume reviews, please hit that like button, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.